In this video, I'll walk you through how you can change bio on TikTok. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if for any reasons you want to change your bio on TikTok, right? This is our TikTok account right now. This is our bio. What you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this edit profile. Once I clicked on it, right now you can see the bio, right? This is the bio. And in the bio option, I have online entrepreneur, full-time this as well, right? So if for any reasons you would love to change, highlight it, then you click on the backspace, right? Then you can type in whatever you want to type in, right? Because this is a video tutorial, I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. So once you're done, you're gonna click on the save, right? And yeah, you can automatically and carefully change your TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.